everything the gurus told me to do. Turns out, I was making all 7 of these mistakes at the same time. Let me save you those 4 months. I am going to walk you through the 7 most common mistakes that kill results for beginners. And more importantly, I will show you exactly how to fix each one. These are not just theories. These are the real reasons why 95% of beginners quit before they ever make their first commission. Stay until mistake number 4. That one alone has cost people thousands of dollars without them even realizing it. Welcome back to JB Global MMO, the channel where we teach you real, practical ways to build income online using AI and proven digital strategies. No hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just what actually works. Today's topic is affiliate marketing. It is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to earn money online. You do not need a product. You do not need a big audience to start. You just need to know what you are doing. The problem is, most beginners make the same 7 mistakes, and each one quietly kills their results before they even get started. Let's go through them one by one, and I will give you the exact fix for each. Number 1. Promoting products. You've never used here is something nobody tells you at the beginning. Your audience can feel when you are faking it. Most beginners jump into affiliate marketing by finding the highest commission product on ClickBank or Share a Sale, copy-pasting the product description, and blasting it everywhere. And then they wonder why nobody buys. When you promote something you have never touched, your content has no real examples, no genuine enthusiasm, and no specific details. It sounds like a product description, not a recommendation from someone who actually cares. Trust is the currency of affiliate marketing, and you cannot build trust by promoting things you do not believe in. The fix: pick products in a niche you actually know or care about. If possible, buy and use the product before promoting it. At minimum, research it deeply. Watch reviews, read forums, understand real user experiences. Share your honest perspective, including the limitations. That honesty is exactly what makes people trust you and click your link. This is the spray and pray approach, and it almost never works. Beginners see 10 affiliate programs and sign up for all of them. Then they try to create content around all 10 at the same time. The result? Scattered energy, unfocused content, and an audience that does not know what you stand for. Affiliate marketing rewards depth, not breadth. One targeted niche, promoted consistently, will always outperform a scattered approach. The fix: choose one niche and one primary product to start. Build authority in that specific area before you ever think about expanding. Simple rule: can you explain this product's value in 2 sentences to a complete stranger? If the answer is no, it is the wrong product for right now. Social media is great for reach, but it is a rented audience. One algorithm change and your traffic can disappear overnight. Beginners often build their entire affiliate business on Instagram posts or TikTok videos. And when their account gets restricted or the algorithm shifts, everything collapses. SEO, search engine optimization, means people are actively searching for what you are offering. That is a much warmer audience, and a well-ranked article or video can bring you traffic for years, not just hours. The fix: start a simple blog or YouTube channel targeting search intent keywords. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find low-competition phrases in your niche. Think long-term. One well-optimized piece of content can earn commissions for 12 months or more. Use social media to amplify your content, never as your only channel. Number 4. Not building an email list. The most expensive mistake. This is the one I promised you at the start, and it is a big one. Real test result. I ran a test on 1,000 visitors. Without an email list, 2 sales. With a basic 3 email follow-up sequence, 11 sales. Same traffic, same offer, just the list. That is a 5x difference from one simple change. Every visitor who lands on your content and leaves without you capturing their email is potentially gone forever. The average person needs to see an offer 7 times before they buy. If you do not have a way to follow up, you are losing the majority of your potential commissions. This is why marketers say, the money is in the list. Email allows you to build relationships over time, and warm audiences buy more. Building an email list from day one is the single most leveraged thing a beginner can do. The fix: set up free email capture using MailerLite or ConvertKit. Both have free plans you can start with today. Offer a simple lead magnet, a checklist, a mini guide, or a resource list related to your niche. Even 100 engaged email subscribers is worth more than 10,000 passive social followers. Follow up with value first, then promote. Okay, we are halfway through. The next 3 mistakes are different. They are not just about strategy. They are about mindset. And these are the ones that actually separate the people who make money from the people who do not. Stick with me. Number 5. Sending traffic directly to the affiliate link. This is a technical mistake, but it costs a lot of people real money. When you send someone directly to an affiliate link with no context, no warm-up, and no value added, you are competing with every other affiliate who is doing the exact same thing. The platform sees a cold visitor. The visitor does not know why they should trust you, and your conversion rate stays low. The smarter approach is to use what is called a bridge page. This is a simple landing page where you add context, share your personal perspective, and pre-sell the product before the visitor ever clicks through. The fix: create a simple bridge page using Card, Systeme.io, or a blog post. Add your personal angle. Here is why I recommend this, and here is what I use it for. Use this page to also capture emails before you redirect them. Key stat: a warm visitor converts 3 to 5 times better than a cold click. 6. Quitting too early. Because of slow results, affiliate marketing is not instant. That is the truth. Most beginners expect results in 2 to 3 weeks. When they do not see commissions, they assume it does not work, and they quit. But here is something I want you to really hear. The person who quit in month 2 and the person making $3,000 a month by month 8, they started at exactly the same place. The only difference is, one of them showed up in month 3 when there was nothing to show for it yet. The ones who win are not the most talented, they are the most consistent. If you are in month 1 with no commissions, that is completely normal. What matters is whether you are building the foundation correctly. The fix: set realistic expectations, 3 to 6 months for your first traction, 6 to 12 months for real momentum. Track leading indicators, not just commissions, traffic numbers, email signups, click-through rates. Focus on improving each piece of content. Join a community to stay accountable when motivation dips. Number 7. Never investing in the right education. This might be the most ironic mistake on this list, because it is the one that costs the least to fix, but makes the biggest difference. Many beginners try to piece everything together from free YouTube videos, random blog posts, and outdated forum threads. They waste months going in circles, learning tactics that stopped working years ago, and making mistakes that could have been avoided. A good structured course gives you a proven roadmap. It cuts months of trial and error down to weeks. It shows you what is actually working right now. The ROI on the right education is massive. One commission from a well-structured campaign can pay back the cost of a course 10 times over. The fix: look for courses updated in 2024 or newer. Choose instructors who show real results, not just income screenshots. Focus on courses covering the full funnel. Traffic plus conversion plus follow-up. Start with one course. Implement it fully. Then, and only then, consider buying another. Now, if you want to shortcut the learning curve on all of this, I want to share a resource that I genuinely recommend. The course linked in the description below covers everything we talked about today in a structured step-by-step format. From choosing your niche and your first product, to building your email list, your bridge page, and your SEO strategy. It is built for complete beginners, and it is regularly updated to reflect what is actually working right now. It is one of the most comprehensive beginner affiliate marketing courses available. And for the price, the value is exceptional. If you are serious about building an online income, investing in structured education is the single fastest way to get there. Do not spend another 6 months guessing. Let someone who has already figured it out show you the path. Link overlay appears at bottom of screen. Get the full beginner roadmap here. Link in description below. Alright, let's do a quick recap of the 7 mistakes. Number 1. Promoting products you have never used. Number 2. Trying to promote everything at once. Number 3. Ignoring SEO and relying only on social media. Number 4. Not building an email list. Number 5. Sending traffic directly to the affiliate link. Number 6. Quitting too early. And number 7. Never investing in the right education. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week we publish practical, actionable content to help you build real income online using AI, affiliate marketing, and smart digital strategies. Next week, we are covering the exact 3-step funnel that beginner affiliates use to make their first $500 online. No paid ads, no big audience, and no technical experience required. I will see you there. Take care and keep building.